I got Namibia, Victor 51, Julia Papa. Guys coming in very with a lot of QSB. But I'm trying to get them with this new radio that I never had a contact with. I don't know if the radio's coming out good. Whiskey Oscar to Echo, Whiskey Oscar to Echo.
South Dakota.
I hope I'm recording my first contact with this radio. This is crazy. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean. Oh boy. 5 minutes into my struggle. Holy cow. Whiskey Oscar to Echo, Whiskey Oscar to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Oh my God, I'm going back to a vertical. Nada with the vertical. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. I'm gonna hang in there, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, brother man. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Oscar to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo, Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Whiskey Ocean to Echo. Yeah, Whiskey Ocean to Echo, you're 55 in Pennsylvania. Thank you very much. Back to you. Have a good one. Holy shit. I wish I could have picked somebody closer so I could get an audio track. But you know, when you're making contacts like that, you ain't got no time to tell me, you know, if I'm distorted or if I'm coming in with too much bass, too much highs. So you're not going to go through that. But I made the contact and I got to Namibia with the first contact with the Flex radio. Here we go.